My name is Hamasi Josephat. I'm the leader of Youth United for Peace in Kenya. Our idea was to train young people for the issue of violence, radicalization, and extremism, for them to understand the diversity, tolerance, harmony, and dialogue. And what we have been doing was to train them so that they can replicate that within their religious clusters. So these young people come from different faiths. They are not one. They come from different faiths. So each one of them has learned and have been trained by us, and we want them to go to replicate religious diversity, harmony, tolerance within their fellow youth, within their cluster. The youth that we have trained here in number is 300 we have trained. The young person, the challenge I feel they have, this process of COVID have been long. And we find that because they have dynamic and challenge sitting at home doing nothing, so you find an opportunity like this where they can hang around and do something. It is like something refreshing for them. I think my message to young people that nobody will represent your interest. You must stand for what you believe in. However difficult it will be, hard it will be, you must stand for what you believe in.
My name is Radha Chesang, and from here, Nakuru, Bundeni Estate to be precise. From this program, I've learned a lot. The most importantly is the social relation.
Kwa majina naitwa Dorothy Anyango. Hii madawa ya kulevya haifai kabisa. Kwa hivyo singependelea vijana waingilie madawa ya kulevya kabisa.
Naitwa John Wakamila. Secondly, this seminar, it has helped the young people who are idle out there to know that it is our responsibility as young people to be able to understand that this nation depends on us, whether it is now or tomorrow. Most people normally say that the leaders of tomorrow are young people, but I always say it is us who are supposed to change things now. We should not be people who are being used by other people or older people for their own benefit gain. So as young people, let us live in unity, appreciate each other's religion and appreciate each other's activities and their opinion so that we live together.